I greet you one more time. We're doing our lesson today. We're going to talk about inversions and inversions. Inversion is just a different way of holding a key. You see, there are many ways of holding a key. For example, we're talking about. Let's talk about the key of C today. Imagine I'm holding a key of C. I can hold it in a certain way and I can hold it in another way again. For example, let's go to key of C. Here's our C. So the key of C, let's just say the major scale of key of C is gonna be see, that's the key of C. That's the C major scale. And we spoke about in the C major scale we have a 1, a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, a 6, a 7, 8. So we say the 1 is a major chord, a 2 minor, 3 minor, 4 major, 5 major, 6 minor, 7 diminish, and 8, which is to a major as a 1. Okay. And we explained on how to hold a major chord. Any major chord, we said that you have to use a 1 5 1 3 5 1 3 5 sorry 1 3 5. So if we're in the C major chord, we're going to have our 1. Remember, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So it's 1 3 5. Okay, that's our C major chord. Alright, that's our C major chord. Don't mind about this side. I've just put the bass this side. I like it sometimes like that. Okay, that's our C major chord. Let's now talk about inversions. Inversion simply means how can we hold this C in a different way? You see, in a different way. So what inversion simply means is we're going to, because at the moment we're holding C at the top, so we need to hold this same C major chord but not C at the top. C at the top means C is here. We're starting with C. So C, we're going to take this C and put it there. So what we're going to do is we're going to hold like this. It's to C. Remember, our C was like this. There was a C, a E, and a G. And here we are holding E, G, C. So we're still in C major chord. The first one. So this one, we call it as a root position. Root position. Now when we do this, we call it as first inversion. We've inverted the C major chord, first inversion. Now there, E is on the top. Alright, let's go back to our root position. On the root position, I want you to understand that this is for all the white notes. Yeah, let's talk about the white, or the for C. Let's talk about C for now. For all C, all the root position is gonna be on the fingering. Is gonna be, remember we said this is our 1, this is our 2, 3 4 5. So on the root position we're going to use a 1 3 5 fingering. Root position. First inversion we're going to use a 1 2 5. See the first inversion? Fingering. I'm talking about the fingers. Fingering. Root position 1 3 5 fingering. First inversion. See? So the difference here is just that E is on the top. So for all the first inversions in the key of C, we're going to use 1 2 5 fingering. Okay, let's talk about the second inversion. We can still invert the same chord. Now we're going to put G on the top, so which means our E is going to be there, so it's going to be, so this one is now second inversion of C. Now G is on the top. For the second inversions in the key of C, you're going to use 1 3 5 fingering. 1 3 5. So here on the root position 1 3 5, first inversion 1 2 5, and the third inversion 1 3 5. So we've inverted our C. This is our root position, first inversion, second inversion. I hope this is easy. First inversion, second root position, first inversion, second inversion. That's inversions. We can do it all over. Okay. Now we said A2 is a minor. Remember, on the minor scale, on the minor key, we learned about the major scale. Now we also learn about the minor scale. Sorry. That's a C minor scale. Now we are talking about D now. So D is a minor. So in that minor, meaning we're going to take our minor, which will be our, from the minor scale of D, we're going to take 1 3 5, because remember it was the major scale of D, the minor scale of D was see. So our 1, our 3, our 5. Now in the minor scale. So our 1 was like this, major chord, our 2 minor. So now a root position is going to be the same, fingering 1 3 5, 1 3 5. First inversion, remember I told you we're going to use a 2 5 1 fingering. So this is a root position. So first inversion, we're going to make our F on the top. So we're going to put there like that. So we're looking for the F somewhere there. No, for the D, I mean D. So our F will be on the top. Now the D is somewhere there. So let's now hold like this. See the fingering. 1 to 5. Fingering. 1 to 5. Root position. First inversion. Second inversion, we can still invert it again one more time, which means our A will be on the top. And now it's going to be 1 3 5 fingering. There it is, sorry. Okay, there it is. Let's recap. C major chord, root position, first inversion, second inversion. D minor chord, root position, first inversion, second inversion. Let's go to our E. Our E also is going to be a minor chord. Remember, we're going to take a 1 3 5 in the minor scale of E to make it a minor. So that's our minor chord. So the root position again, it's going to be 1 3 5 fingering. 1 3 5 fingering. First inversion again is going to be 2 5 1. 1 2 5, sorry, 1 2 5. I made a mistake also here, if I'm right. So it's gonna be root position 1 3 5. First inversion is 1 2 5. Even here also root position 1 3 5 on D minor. First inversion 1 2 5. Please let me correct my mistake there. Okay, so we're now in E minor. Root position 1 3 5. First inversion, we're going to make our G on the top, then our E is going to be there. So it's going to be 1 2 5. You see. I'm taking away these two fingers. See, there it is. Second inversion, 1 3 5. See, we've inverted. First one, first inversion, second inversion. Then we did this one, our second chord, first inversion, third inversion. Now we did this one, first inversion, second inversion. Let's go to our F. It's our F major chord because it's a fourth. So the first inversion is going to be 1 3 5. Second inversion, 1 2 5. Fingering, I'm talking about fingering. So the first inversion, root position. Now first inversion is going to be, A is going to be on the top, F at the last. You see? And the second inversion, 1 3 5, 1 2 5, 1 3 5. Okay, let's talk about G. It's a major chord. G is the fifth of C, so it's gonna be a major chord. 1 3 5. Okay, first inversion, remember, 1 to 5, because it was like this. Now B is gonna be on the top. Okay, second inversion, 1 3 5. Hope you'll see it. Alright, let's talk about the last chord, which is gonna be not last, before the last, which is gonna be A. It's a sixth chord of C, so it's a minor chord. There it is, A minor. Remember, the A minor is coming from the minor scale. We hold it as a minor. From the minor scale we take 1 3 5, but the fingering also is 1 3 5. First inversion, C is gonna be on the top. Fingering is the same, 1 to 5. First inversion, second inversion. Wow, let's go to the last chord, which is going to be our diminish, which is our B diminish. There it is. B diminish. A diminished chord, it's let me explain about the diminished. I don't know if I did. For example, if we are holding C major chord, so on the diminished chord, what it means is like a double flat. Double flat means on my 5 I lower my 5 and I lower my third, so that becomes a diminish, C diminish. Now let's check it here for us to get there. For example, if we are holding a B major chord, so to make this B major chord diminish, we're going to double flat. We're doubling flat, meaning we are flatting the fifth and we're flatting the third. This is a fifth, this is a third. So we flat the fifth, flat the third. Flatting means go backwards, reduce. So now it becomes a diminished chord. So our root position is 1 3 5 again for the fingering. First inversion again is gonna be 1 2 5 fingering. And then our last second inversion, 1 3 5 fingering. So now you know. Okay, and then now we go on D, and then we go on E minor, and then we go on F major, and then we go on G, and then we go on our A minor, and then we do our diminish. 4 inversions. This course is done. Hope you are blessed. Thank you.